How to fix the Bank of America application not working. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If your application is not working of your Bank of America, in today's video we are providing you with some fixes. So let's get started. The first thing we can do is we can try updating the application. So if you have the application, go to Play Store if you're on Android and go to the search or tap on your profile in the top. Look out for manage apps and devices and look out for this option called update. And there, if you find the option for Bank of America, you can tap on the update option right beside it and confirm it up and update that particular application. And if your Wave login is failing, we can clear out the Chrome cache and cookies. So for that, look out for the three dot in the top once you open up the browser. And then look out for the settings. Scroll down, find settings and tap on it. And within here, look out for privacy and security and select the option for delete browsing data or clearing out the cache and cookies and select it and tap on this option called clear data and clear out the data for it. Also relaunch the application. You can close it up completely and again try again after updating. That should also work out for you. If it still can't be proceeded, we can use the official Bank of America's contact page to get help. So we can head over to bankofamerica.com for that, and within there we can look out for the option for contacting them to get help. And you can just go over and confirm the app opens without error after the changes once you apply up the fixes. And that's it. Usually this is how you should be able to get the application working again and having access to your bank. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.